slideshow. Okay, Active Directory maintenance part 2. So dito, get your AD organized. No? So reason number 1, group policy. Having good OU will make implementing, managing much easier. No? So maganda may OU talaga kaya. Okay? Number 2, you have to delegate permission. Kung ang trabaho lang naman is mag-reset ng password na help desk, tanggalin mo yung permission ng iba na wala silang power to shut down. Okay? Delegate permission. And number 3, admin task. You modify user account using LDAP. Pero mahirap i-configure ito eh, no? So for reporting in bulk changes, common for admin task. Let's say admin task niya, shut down server every day or start server. So bibigyan mo lang siya ng specific admin task na may power to start server. Pero walang power to shut down server. So paano yun? So ganito. So dito sa AD natin, saan yung server 1? Yan. AD natin, AD, DSA. So tawag dito, delegation, control wizard. So right click, paano mag-delegate? No, delegate control. Okay? Click next. Then add mo yung help desk 1. Sinong gusto mong help desk na may power na mag-reset ng password? Kasi Andrea Brillantes. Okay? Next, ito na yung delegation control. No? So anong gusto mo sa kanya? Gusto mo create and delete user account? Yes. Reset user password? Yes. Pero wala kang power to generate group policy. Okay? And other tasks such as shutdown VM and so on. Okay? So ayan, si Andrea, binigyan ko na ng power. So lalagin natin si Andrea. Sino ba ito? Si Andrea na naman. So log out. And then login natin si Andrea ulit. So wala itong masyadong power. Kundi mag-reset lang ng password. Okay, so limited na yung power nito. Okay, wala na yung magagawa, let's say. Hindi nga niya mararamdaman. Hindi. Walang DSA dito na sa kabila. Let's say, kukonect ako doon. Pwede ba akong kumonect sa computer? So, kukonect ako doon sa 1. Ako lang kung kaya nito. Ayan, nakakonect ako. So yun na yun. So power lang niya is mag-reset lang. No? Limited power. Ano pang permission? Marami pa. No? Let's say si Chris. Ay wala. Hindi makita. Sino pa ba user dito? Ellen. Si Ellen Adarna. Ellen. Add. Ellen. Si Ellen Adarna. Anong gusto mong permission? Ito, custom naman if you want customs. Ano yung customs? So let's say computer objects. Pwede siya mag-add sa domain or something. No, computer objects. Ano pa ba? Ito yung very specific. Create a group object. Napakadami. Modify the IP address. Okay. What permission do you want? Gusto mo ba view lang? View? Read lang. Limited ka. Na? Ayan, si Ellen. So, limited na. So, we just delegated the permission and admin tasks to those users. Okay? Best practice, disable account for all the employee, no? Kami dinidisable lang namin and extended leave. Naka-leave siya. Patayin mo muna. No, baka mamaya may impersonate. Best practice, manage account for departed departed personnel. So how do you manage accounts for departed personnel? So disabled pa rin. Iba, dinidelete forever and ever, no? You need to backup exchange data, no? Yung mga mailbox. Exercise caution with the admin account. So admin account for administrator lang. Kung help desk lang siya, do not give admin. Make sure that guest access stay disabled. So lagi naman nakapatay yan, no? Remain disabled. Purge inactive accounts. Kung di naman ginagamit, purge mo na lang. manage and purge user. Kung hindi mo ginagamit user group, delete mo na lang. And automate Active Directory cleaning. So remove AD user. No, kung sa tingin mo ganito, for example, si Andrea, no, na 3 months contract lang. 3 months contract lang. So paano ma-disable after 3 months? No? So meron dito yung yan. Account expire after 3 months. So end of December, January, February 14. Okay? Pag in-apply ko na yan, automatic disabled na yan. Sa ganun lang siya. What else? Ay, tapos na pala. Thank you, thank you. So, that's the part 2. Part 2. Okay? Next, group policy objects. So, stop ko muna.